Indexing tables are best defined as a machine tooling positioning device. It carries components for a repeating process of an indexing process. Depending on the application, the client can choose between the motors, as this is a very compact mechanism and can be mounted in any position where the space needs to be saved. Intermediate gear is another spur gear which acts as intermediate gear reducer, whose sole purpose is to transmit motion to main spur gear with reduction. Hollow spur gear is the final gear reducer where all the reduction takes place. The transmitted rotary motion from intermediate gear is transferred to gear, which causes final reduction. This spur is mounted with output flange, which is steel ring. Gearhead. Gearhead consists of helical teeth and has an adapter formation of its other end. This adapter acts as input for rotary motion. It is coupled with either planetary or right-angle gearbox. The helical teeths on outer end is meshed with the teeths of intermediate gear to transmit motion. Steel ring is a final output flange which is directly mounted on hollow spur gear. There are specialized mounting holes on steel ring